show you how I create cute themed notes which can be used for any subject. All supplies used I will try my best to link in the description. When taking notes, I usually use graph paper because I've noticed that my handwriting looks way neater when using it. So for headers, instead of doing a fancy calligraphy title, I use my Sakura Pigma Micron graphic and I just write it in a pretty lowercase font. Next thing I do is I write the date really tiny next to the unit along with the lesson and the chapter. Next thing I'm going to do is take my Zebra Myliner brush pen and just highlight a little border. I apologize for the line not being the straightest. I have the notebook straight and I'm farther away from the notebook than I would be taking notes, so I can't get as straight of the lines, if that makes sense, so it looks uneven and I'm really sorry for that. Since the theme for September note-taking is strawberries, I decided to put a strawberry sticker over the blemish where I messed up highlighting, and it makes it seem seamless and not a mistake. Next, I'm going to write a heading for a subsection of my notes. So I'm going to use my Pentel Energel 0.7 ink. It is by far my favorite gel pen. I apologize for writing in lowercase. I usually write it in all caps, but I don't know what I was thinking. Next, I'm going to use a dash to show a generic concept. So for example, if the heading was Newton's laws of physics, I would write maybe the dash as the first law. Next, I'm going to use a bullet point to elaborate on that concept. So maybe I would explain what the first law is and add more details to that generic concept. If I have extra time, I will take another color. So for a strawberry themed, I decided to do green and just highlight the heading. Next thing is if I have a term that the teacher maybe bolded in the slide, I will use another color to highlight that, or some key concept or something that I want to stand out while browsing through my notes. So I decided to highlight it in pink because that's like a strawberry, I guess. So I highlight the key concepts in pink for this month. Just to make the page more full, I decided to write the same thing over and over again, so it looks like I have written a lot of information. Next thing I do, to add a little extra punch of color, I use a washi tape. So for this month, it is a washi tape that is white with red dots. So I'm just going to rip a piece off and just put it in the corner. Next, I'm going to take another sticker, so another strawberry, so I'm just going to peel the backing off. Usually I would put the strawberry kind of left to the unit, but since I didn't make the line long enough and it had that mistake, I decided to just put it over there, so that's why it kind of looks off-centered. And then usually after school I summarize my notes on a post-it, so it helps me remember things better. For social studies especially, since it's a lot of details, so since my strawberry post-it notes haven't come in yet, I will just write it on a generic pink post-it note. That is all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I gave you some inspiration for your own notes, and it's funny watching how my nice, neatly stickers around and the pens turned into chaos slowly. I am starting a Studygram stationary journaling YouTuber, whatever, so all your support means so much to me, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!